Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Walk into the scene and sit down like you see me do. Pick up your phone. Can just be pressing your phone for a few seconds or few minutes. All right, just sit here for a few seconds or few minutes. After recording this part now, the next thing you are going to be doing is to walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome to your gallery, guys. Stay tuned as I walk you step by step how to change your background or add yourself or anything on green screen. All right, so at this point you want to be clicking on CapCut, new project now, then import the video you want to use for this experiment. Click on that volume sign there as we silence the volume. All right, so at this point locate where you want your video to start from. So I will be clicking here now to make a split to delete this first part. All right, then you go and locate where you want it to end. Click here and make another split. Delete this last part. It's still long for my liking. I will click it and still trim it a little bit. Then after that now I will make my necessary adjustment. It's still long, I will still trim it. Then I will click it to expound it. All right, after expounding it, I'll position my video the way I want my video to be. You can see what I am doing. After that, I'm going to play it to show you how it's going to play. All right, this is how it's going to play. All right, but after then now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on this plus button here. So click on this plus button, you add this your green screen. All right, then the green screen is too long, I will be splitting it. Make a split, delete this part, click on this plus button again, click on photos. I want to still add this background here. All right, then I will click it to make it fit the screen. After that, I am going to click it to drag it. After dragging it, we come back, click on this video and locate duplicate. Go and look for duplicate, guys. Locate duplicate. This is duplicate. I want to duplicate this part. Click on this one now and look for overlay. We want to overlay this part. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. Click on overlay here. Then now is the time to go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG now. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. All right, but at this point, guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Welcome back to this tutorial. As you can see, has removed completely. Mark on this good now, then you go back. So click on this one. We still want to duplicate this part as well. Locate duplicate, guys. Locate duplicate, then you duplicate this part as well, duplicate it. So at this point you can see that the green screen is too long, we want to trim it. So at this point this video is ready. What will be remaining now is to play this video from the beginning, guys. So you click this video now and play it. As we are playing it now, remember to add your sound effects and every other effect. As you can see, all the effects that is playing on the video now. If you don't know how to add them, DM me, then I will put you through on how to add them. Then after adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. All right, if you don't know how to add these effects, DM me. I am going to put you through how to add these effects and the sound. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. So at this point, click on export now. Then you export this video to your gallery. So you can see it's exporting a size patient. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but at this point, guys, tell us your opinion about this video. What do you make up of this video? If you have any magic effects or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love this video, you love what we are doing, then go and smash your like button. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.